I'm wondering if we're going to rid you of the same sort of disobedience at 16. Whoa!
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we won't be accepting it at that point.
That'll be a cute moment still.
I saw
I'm
that.
sure he'll have that same boyish smile.
I'm swimming with my arms, not with my legs.
Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa.
That's good. You can cut it for now, Janet.
Norm Anderson.
Watch out, Mom.
You know him really well. Not that well. I'm just going to ask about his playing.
No, I was